This video is designed to give you a brief overview of the Revolve Case by Savage UTV. The Revolve Case is a completely customizable storage solution designed to be mounted right on top of your spare tire underneath the Y-strap. It's designed to hold two spare belts on the outside with a storage space in the middle to hold recovery gear, first aid kit, tow strap, or any other products or tools that you want to carry with you on the trail. When your Revolve Case arrives, you'll notice that there are foam inserts here, a round circle and two rings around it. The reason for that is these cases are completely universal. So if you have a Polaris Pro R or a Kawasaki KRX, Wildcat, Textron, or Speed UTV, your belt is a little bigger. And so you remove the outer ring and your belt will fit inside of that outer ring. If you have a regular Polaris NA or Turbo, you will basically take away this middle ring and your belt and the outer ring of foam will go inside the case. This inner circle here is then open for either a toolkit. We have customizable Kaizen foam that's easier to cut with a razor blade than the hard EVA foam. We have first aid kits and tow straps, and for people that have a quick change tool, we have this cutout to be able to put that in there. So check out our accessories at savageutv.com. There are several other videos where we will go over tips on cutting the foam and individual product specific videos showing you the 4 different variations of Revolve Case. The first version is the basic Revolve by itself. It comes with 2 layers of foam and 2 Velcro straps to be able to secure the case to your Y-strap. The second version is our toolkit. It comes with everything that you need to change a belt and change a tire out on the trail. The second toolkit that we offer is manufactured by Boxo USA. It's an upgraded quality toolkit with 13 tools instead of 8. The Pro Eagle DS version of the Revolve Case looks exactly like this. Has the same EVA foam insert, comes with the DS jack, the removable base plate, the hose control valve, and 3 CO2 cartridges. It also includes an extendable breaker bar, a 17 and 19 millimeter deep socket, and the foam is raised, allowing you to store things like a drive belt or other things underneath. On our website, you will see a drop-down bar to be able to add accessories to your case. You can choose one of those accessories for each layer of the case, meaning you can add a toolkit to the bottom layer while adding a first aid kit inside your spare belt on the top layer. If you don't need a first aid kit, add a tow strap. Or easy to cut Kaizen foam designed to be cut at home by you using simply a razor blade. Each Revolve Case is designed to sit on the top of your spare tire, resting on the bead ring of the wheel itself. It's sandwiched in using a Y-strap, and we also have included with each case 2 heavy-duty Velcro straps that can be run through the bottom of the case and secured over the Y-strap to make sure that if the strap becomes loose, the case will not fall off the vehicle. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment and check out some of the other videos we have to find out more information on the Revolve products, or reach out to us with our contact form if you have any questions.